All right guys, Rachel here, and I'm super excited to show you this fifth wheel that we just got in. It is a Rockwood. So of course I'm super excited. I have not been through the whole thing, so we're gonna be looking at that together. But as always, we're gonna go from the outside in. But if you want any information, please reach out, because this is it's a Rockwood. It's probably gonna go fast, but let's take a look. Okay, yeah, as always, stunning. So you've got your theater seating right here. Look at all this. I mean, this is, I know, when you see opposing slides, you already know that it's going to be a lot of space, but the slides are very wide, so it gives you even more space. You got a nice big couch, of course, will probably turn into a bed, storage above, and beautiful big windows, which they're all closed up right now. Let's see if we can. I gotta open this big old beauty back here, because if I was, on the lake or in the mountains, I mean, this is the, there we go. We would be able to see all that beauty. All right, so nice big windows all the way around, for the most part. You got a nice dinette, which somebody was showing it as a bed, which is super comfy because these are super thick. And of course, the material that Rockwood uses is really, really good. You got storage underneath each of those as well. Then across from that, you've got your fireplace and your entertainment. And then, of course, more storage. I love this back piece behind the fireplace. And then, of course, you've got a lot of counter space here as well. You've got a beautiful island, which it looks like it's like maybe a pewter color, like charcoal gray. Love it. Nice big counter space, a pull-out trash can, which I love. Let's see. Nice. Love that. I always try to find space for my cutting board. You've got tons of storage on the side, and look at the size of this, because I feel like it's extra big, but I absolutely love it. And then across, we've got a nice big 3-burner, nice big oven, and a nice big microwave. Storage all the way around as well. You've got a huge residential fridge, which is really, really nice to have. And then you've got this pantry. Love these doors. And I do love the option to be able to move these, which you do. You've got an outlet down here as well, and then more storage up above. You got more counter space right here, as well as storage. More and more storage. We all love storage. All right, right up these steps, we have our bathroom, which is, I knew it was going to be huge, but it really is. So you can have a seat in this giant bathroom. Plenty of space, guys, to do your thing. Absolutely. More storage, nice counter space as well. Just a really big bathroom, which I love. And then, of course, our master bedroom. I mean, who wouldn't love this? I mean, it's got so much space. I love that tinted closet. It looks beautiful in here. Nice king size bed. You've got storage above, but you also got little side tables on the side, along with outlets, little lights. You got your dresser over here, along with your entertainment. You got your washer and dryer prep in here, which you also have a ton of shelves that can be moved. You can hang up clothes in here. They just give you so many options, which is really, really great. More storage above, and then more closet space, which I love this closet, and more drawers. Very, very nice. I mean, plenty of space in here to do your thing, but also you can, I mean, you can get dressed, you can walk around and not feel crowded. I mean, you could look at the amount of space that you have to walk on the side of the bed. So, what do you guys think of this beautiful Rockwood, this beautiful fifth wheel? Would love to know. If you want more information, give me a call, text, or email. Come see me, as for Rachel. But as always, my information is down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. But until next time.